If you are tired of daily chores, the Roborock Qrevo 2 Pro promises a new level of automated home cleaning. This robot vacuum and mop is packed with features designed to handle tough messes and keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core cleaning capabilities and how the Qrevo 2. The 20,000 PA HyperForce suction is truly outstanding, allowing this robot to power through dust, pet hair, and crumbs. FlexiArm Tech revolutionizes edge cleaning, reaching incredibly close to walls and deep into corners where many other robot vacuums miss. For pet owners, the dual Zero-Tangle system is a game changer, significantly reducing hair wrap on the brushes and making maintenance. The intelligent carpet care system automatically lifts or removes the mop and boosts suction, providing truly worry-free cleaning for mixed floor. Overall, the Qrevo 2 Pro delivers exceptional cleaning power with innovative features like the FlexiArm Tech. Next, we'll examine the advanced automation features that reduce your interaction with the robot. The multifunctional dock is truly impressive, automatically emptying dust, refilling water, and even cleaning and drying the mop with warm. Smart navigation with reactive tech obstacle avoidance helps the robot move smoothly around common household items, while 3D mapping gives. The connectivity is limited to 2.4G Wi-Fi, which is generally reliable, but it means you won't get the potentially faster. At a price point of $799.99, the Qrevo 2 Pro is certainly a premium purchase, but its extensive feature set. The automation and smart features are incredibly robust, creating a hands-off cleaning experience, though some connectivity. The Roborock Qrevo 2 Pro stands out as a high-performance robot vacuum and mop with truly impressive features. Its powerful suction, innovative FlexiArm Edge cleaning, and highly automated dock make it an excellent choice for a hands-free cleaning experience. While the premium price and